Hi guys, this is Karen from Trending Travel, back with another quality video. Now, I intend to bring you a good variety of travel related videos, so today I'm excited to bring you our first virtual open house tour of a property located in Jamaica.
That sounds good.
So, whether you're traveling for fun, or you're looking for investment opportunities, or even if you're just curious, this video will be very interesting and enlightening, so keep watching. Also, just in case you're watching this video and you're not a Jamaican, you may be wondering if foreigners can buy property in Jamaica. The answer is yes. The government of Jamaica welcomes investment from overseas buyers. There are no restrictions on foreigners who decide to buy property in Jamaica. Plus, foreign buyers enjoy the same rights as Jamaican citizens.
That sounds good.
And while I'm at it, let me tell you a little secret. For some time now, a lot of visitors have been busy buying properties in Jamaica. Yes, can't say I didn't tell you. On another note, if you have already subscribed, thank you so much for your continued support. I appreciate all of my subscribers and those who take the time to watch, like, comment, and share my videos. As always, I'm forever thankful. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for support or for more travel-related videos and important travel updates. So, let's get right into it. Now, before I tell you more about this property, please note that I am not in any way affiliated with this property or any of the associated organizations. First, let me tell you a little bit about this location. Lakeside View Park is located within Salem Runaway Bay, which is a wonderful coastal community located in St. Anne, Jamaica. There are several gated communities within St. Anne, and this is one of the new ones. The Lakeside View Park gated community boasts luxurious homes, well-manicured lawns, lakeside fishing, a swimming pool, gazebo, kids play area, a basketball court, and of course, 24-hour security. The development has single-family homes for sale, comprising of 2 and 3 bedroom flats. The cost of the 2-bedroom unit is $250,000 US, while the cost of the 3-bedroom unit is $300,000 US. Each unit is situated on quarter acre lots, plus the current maintenance fee is 10,000 Jamaican dollars per month. Please note that the development is not yet completed and the units are now available for sale. This video will give you a virtual walkthrough tour of the model units. So, enjoy this tour as experienced Realtor Associate Georgia Thompson show you around and tell you more.
I'm Georgia with Sagicor Property. I can be reached at 876-535-8054. We're here at Lakeside Villa, housing development. I'm going to give you a quick tour. Let me put on my mask for safety purposes. Room, two bath. 1,676 square feet. We're here at the entrance. We have double doors, solid wood, ceramic tiling, nice and spacious, perfect for that small family that's starting out. We're moving along to the kitchen area. Nice and spacious. We have solid hardwood cabinets. We have a space here for your fridge. Over here we have your stove, and we also have room if you wanted to put in a dishwasher or something. It's solid hardwood. We go around to the bathroom. This house sits on a quarter-of-an-acre lot. Decorated, beautiful earth tones. We have a standing shower. With glass enclosure. Large walk-in closet, fully framed. A walk-in closet, a space up top for storage for those suitcases for when you come in from abroad. Okay, this is the additional bedroom, which as you see is also nice and spacious. Air conditioned, beautiful hardwood doors, plenty of closet space. You have more closet space, more closet space, and plenty of storage, as you can see. Lots and lots of closet space. For that family with the double children. Lots of storage up on the top. That doubles as a powder room / the bathroom for the additional bedroom. Floor-to-ceiling tile. If you notice, it's floor-to-ceiling tile for that splash. Also, crown molding on the roof. Also, leading out to the garage, we have a laundry area, can fit a washer and a dryer with a sink inside. Also, plenty of room for shelving. You can add shelving, make it your own quaint little space. We have a single car garage garage door opener. Electronic garage door opener. All of these homes sit on a quarter of an acre of land, which is a lot of yard for your children to play. We're about to enter, still as you see, large land space, very large land space. Yours can look like this too. All you have to do is make an offer. Choose your lot. And you see we have double door, nice entryway with double doors as the 2-bedroom. Yeah, with the 3-bedroom now, there's more porcelain tiles. They're porcelain tiles. This one is not furnished, but imagine what you can do with this space yourself. We have the master bedroom, which is still similar to the 2-bedroom. Plenty of closet space. Walk-in closet that's framed up. Plenty of storage to the top for those suitcases and the additional things you want to hide away. Glass enclosed shower. Floor to ceiling tile. Living plan that we have. Open living space, your kitchen, you can observe the kids as you cook. Over to the side, we have an area here. This can be used as an office. In today's environment where everybody's working from home, this space can be enclosed into a nice little office if you choose to be, because you have plenty of space out here for dining. So if you work from home, this is the plan for you. The washroom, large enough for your washer and dryer. Any additional storage that you might want to put in. As you see, the 3-bedroom has a larger land space. Also, backyard space is much larger. Look at this land space that you get with the 3-bedroom. No other development has these large land spaces right now. No other development, and I will repeat that. There's no other development. You can add to the sides, you can add to the back, you can add to both sides, you can add to the back. We're moving along to the kitchen area. Nice and spacious. We have solid hardwood cabinets. We have a space here for your stoves. And we also have room if you wanted to put in a dishwasher or something. We have a space here for your fridge. Solid hardwood. These are the two additional bedrooms that you have. As you see, plenty of closet space. Plenty for those ladies who cannot stop buying. Plenty of closet space, plenty of storage. Over here, we have a bathroom that will be shared between the two bedrooms. Floor to ceiling tile, glass enclosed shower. All modern toiletry. Bedroom number 3, as you see, large space. Plenty of closet space. You do not want for storage here because you're gonna get it. Two children sharing this room. No one has to fight about which side is whose. You literally have 2 closets in one room. Sharon and Julie, Tom and Jeff. But no one fights over space.
So there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you find this new update helpful, like the video, let us know in the comments and subscribe to our channel. If you decide to visit Jamaica, stay safe and have fun.